Thank you, Chair. I will exactly follow. Honorable Machogu, Kenyans are looking at you, including myself, and there is a question which has been going on around in terms of building confidence, and people expected that the Minister for Education should have been either a professor or a doctor, a doctorate in terms of PhD, not medical, or a bare minimum of a master's degree. When I was perusing your CV, I only saw a bachelor's degree of 1979 when I was about 4 years. And nothing has changed. So what will you tell those Kenyans to build confidence? Because if this parliament approves you, you'll be actually the Minister for Education. So what will you tell Kenyans to build confidence, including myself? And finally, the issue of delocalization. That policy has really dismantled families. It has caused chaos. Even the teachers which were delocalized to some other places, they don't even teach, Honorable Machogu, they don't teach. They are in problems, psychological problems. And therefore we have affected education. Kenyans have suggested that that policy should be scrapped and return people back to home so that they can teach properly. Will you agree with those Kenyans that are saying that we should be scrapping, including myself? Thank you, Chair.